Hey guys, so we are here with one more video today. So today I'm going to show you, I got an iPhone 6 Plus where it got some water inside. So what I'm going to do is like just open it up and try to find some water inside and just make it dry. The first thing is like if you spill any water, the first thing what you need to do is just switch it off. That's the first thing you need to do. Okay, let's open up. So I've undo the screw and then let's find a small opening here. Okay, I hope you can see. Okay, I'll just lift a little bit so that you can just see what's happening. Okay. Okay, so now, oh, there is a lot of water here. So definitely there is a big water damage. So I hope you can see here, it's water everywhere. So what I'll try to do is like I'll try to dry the water. So first step is like use a tissue paper and just clean everything. Whatever the visible water is, just try to clean. And like I'm pretty sure most of you guys know, once there is a water damage you will get this red thing. So that's normally a white bit, but once you get water inside, that turns into red, which means there is a water damage. That's how a technician knows what is a water damage. I will do a very simple thing today. So have used a tissue paper and dried whatever I can, and now I will use like a hot gun and then try to just dry up a little bit. Right. So I'm just using like a Ozito heat gun, and then like what we are doing here is like just giving some sort of heat. I hope you can see. So give a proper dry. Use this to dry all the water. If you don't dry the water, what happens is like the rust will build in, and then that will slowly try to chew up all the electronics. So the best thing is to take your time and then dry every bit of water. So that would be our first step. Okay, so once we do this, okay, now I'm pretty confident like there is no water left inside because it's pretty dry at the moment. But you can try and do it again, but I think it's pretty much dry. So let's close the phone up now. Okay, and then we will put the screw back in. Okay, so as you can see here, now because this is a 6 plus, this is not waterproof, but when it comes to 7 plus and above, they're all waterproof. So, and I'll just wait for this to get cooled down. Once it's cool, then I will turn it on. So that's how you remove the water and try to do dry the water inside. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe us, like us, And if you haven't joined us, please join us. And if you have any questions, please leave that in the comment and we will get back to you. Thanks.